The fastest way to make $1 million. Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar Virgin here. And this video, if you look on the screen right here, I'm going to show you bottom line what I did to make $1 million when I had no money, no skill, no nothing, just like you. And if you follow through in this video here, I can promise you this, that your job that you currently have, you're going to tell your boss to go to hell. The money that's currently not in your bank account, you will have money, and you'll discover the secrets and the behind the scene techniques that everybody's doing that's making money, and the majority that's not making the money is doing. You're going to do this today. Now check it out. Now before you like the video and show me some love and sub to the channel here because you like the content here, I need to prove to you that I've done this. Because you might say, Wesley, how do I know that you're making $1 million? How do I know that you're rich? Cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into one of my accounts here. You see everything here. Please don't email me because I just don't answer emails. I get too many. I love you. But listen, let me log in here. So let me show you undeniable proof. This is $1 million right here in front of your face here. It's a real life account, and I'm sorry. That's actually $2.9 million, and I did that in less than a year. And then let me tell you why, because I know what you're thinking right now. Wesley, well, how do I do this? Listen, the technique that I learned years ago, I just do it over and over again. And you're going to do the same thing. I promise you, to make money online, you're going to do exactly what I'm going to show you in this video here over and over again. You'll make 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, and you'll see how easy it is, how you can lay in your bed, relax on the beach, on the plane, whatever you want to do, and make money on autopilot. But listen, you got to believe that it's real, because it is. Okay, now listen, before I get started here, I'm gonna go step by step. I'm gonna go very slow. All you need to do is this. One, just listen to the video. Like, don't try to do it with me. Sometimes when people try to learn, you need to listen first, then you're gonna watch the video a second time, and you're actually gonna do it with me. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if that makes perfect sense. Listen to me first, okay? Listen to everything. Then watch it again and actually do it with me. You'll be more successful, and then you will be the person making videos and helping other people to make money online as well. Now listen, before we get started, can you please kindly smash that like button? Let's go! All right, first step is this. Go to google.com, okay? And this is what I did years ago. I was about 30 years old, and I was broke, 2 children. I just quit my job, and I had no money, and I was trying to learn how to make money. Just like you, I was buying courses, going to seminars, flying around the world, trying to understand how all these people like Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, how they making money online. Listen, first step is this. You must know exactly what niche that you want to create. So what I'm going to show you here is I'm going to show you how to create a product. And it's very simple. You don't need any, like I said before, you don't need skills to do this. I'm going to show you how to create a product, okay, within 24 hours right now. And if you do this right, you can officially launch a product and start making money in the next 48 to 72 hours. I do this all the time, okay? I'm really good at it. Now, the key is this. You have to listen, watch close, remove all distractions, and pay close attention here, okay? So, listen, write this down. Weight loss. Write that down, please. Weight loss. Make money online. Write that down. And love and sex are the #1 niches that makes the most money on the internet. Listen to me close. Love and sex, everybody wants love and sex, don't you? Even if you like love and sex, smash the like button, okay? Of course, if you like making money online, smash the like button. If you want to get skinny and get pretty, or you want to be muscular and have an 8-pack, smash the like button. Listen, these 3 niches are very powerful, okay? I've made millions of dollars because I just focus on these because I know that they work. So listen, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you something here that's going to blow your mind. You got to choose one. So I want you in the comments below, choose the product that you would like to create. We're going to create this together. Either love and sex or relationships, okay? Making money online, okay? Or making money. And 3, weight loss, right? Everybody wants to lose weight. Everybody's tired of being fat, right? Hot girl summer, we get it. So the next site you want to go to, step number 2, is go to clickbank.com. Okay? Shout out to Clickbank. Let me tell you why. These folks was the first company here. They're an affiliate marketplace, but I made over $30 million with these people. Basically following everything I'm going to give you in the video here. If you watch to the very end, I'm going to give you a cool bonus here. Listen, Clickbank.com, that's nothing but a platform that allows new people like you put your product on it and just make money. And other people can promote your product too. And I'm going to show you how to do that. And it's easy. And the great thing about this, you don't have to spend any money to do this. I had no money at the time. I had about $100, honestly. At that time, I was sleeping on an air mattress. I had 2 children. I was 30 years old and I was broke and busted. And then 5 years later, I made $1 million in 1 month following this exact strategy here. So just listen, do the same thing. Okay, if you're with me, smash the like button here. So you want to sign up. Very easy to sign up. Put your country, first name, last name, email address, password, done deal. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in here. Are you with me? All right. As you can see, I have many accounts, of course, because like I told you, once you do it once, you do it twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5. You just keep doing it over and over again, right? You just never stop doing it because it works, right? And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to find yourself, listen, many people that watch this video, not only are they going to smash the like button and say, Wesley, I love you for creating this, is they're going to find themselves making $5,000 to $10,000, $15,000 a month, all because they listened to the very end and they watched again and did it with me and they succeeded. Okay, so I'm gonna log in. This is you. So what you want to do is you want to go to marketplace. Okay, and as you can see, I'm already making money. This is another account here. I don't use this account much. This is not a lot of money, but we're doing about what, 2,000, 1,000 per week here. And this is on Autopilot. I'm gonna show you how to do that too. You know, internet marketers, they're gonna hate me. They're gonna try to get this video banned. But you, if you smash the like button and comment below, we can leave this video up so everybody, teenagers, you know, if you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, you know, it'll be up here forever to educate the world, to let them know that they can make money online right now. Okay, marketplace, and hit the magnifying glass. Now this is very simple. Listen, so what I chose years ago was weight loss. Okay, I just chose weight loss because I knew that there was a lot of people on the planet that were overweight. You know, it is what it is. If you're overweight right now, no pun intended, but listen, people that are overweight, they're always trying to get skinny. Always. This is what happened until you die and I die as well. Okay, they were always trying to find a way to get skinny. So what I did years ago, I found a weight loss product. It wasn't my product, it was somebody else's. Okay, write this word down below. Modeling products will make you rich. Okay, you do the same thing that Burger King did, the McDonald's, Bank of America did, the Chase Bank, right? Everybody does this, right? Everybody that's successful. MySpace, Facebook, ring a bell, right? They all do this. So listen, now you need to do this so you can start making money online. Now, so say if we choose this, let's say Wesley, okay, I want to go into the weight loss niche and I'm going to model Okinawa Tonic, whatever, right? Ancient Japanese tonic melts 54 pounds of fat. So what you want to do is basically is look at the VSL here, look at what they're doing, okay? And here they're selling a product here. So you may say, well, Wesley, I don't want to sell a product. I want to sell a digital product. Okay, so we go down here to diabetes freedom. So if you say, okay, I want to do a diabetes type product, right? Because it's very popular. Understand, you only want to create products that are popular, all right? Now, what you want to do is, you say, okay, this is cool here. I want to model this. And all you're doing is this. You're doing exactly what Burger King did to McDonald's. Say, you know what? I'm going to make the burger better. I'm going to make the fries better. Whatever. So you're going to make the product better. Now, the question is this, Wesley, how do you do that? First, you're going to copy this. Okay? You see this page right here? You want to copy that. Make sure you copy the URL because you want to use this later. And you see where it says, warning, green veggie causes type 2 diabetes in millions? Well, what you'll do is put red veggie. Oh, smash the like button. That's powerful. Red veggie that causes type 2 diabetes in millions, right? All you do is change some of the words here, and you want to copy all this right here. Now, when it comes to the video, this is called a video sales letter. This is the money maker. If you're able to get this done and create this, well, you make millions of dollars just like this guy. Millions of dollars per month. Some people make it per week, whatever. It's up to you. So what you want to do is this. Now listen very closely here. You want to transcribe this video here. and I'm going to show you exactly where to go to get it done. Oh, I know you love me, right? I'm going to show you exactly how to get this transcribed very quickly, just in case you don't want to do it, because you need all the words. All you need is the words in the video, okay? Now, listen, once you do that, now you need to get a domain. You go to GoDaddy.com. Now look,
all thanks to my adorable 4-year-old grandson.
This is the key. Look, this is the key of getting domains. See, a lot of people, when they go to GoDaddy.com or Bluehost.com, they get these stupid domains, right? And we have another domain. Let me show you something here. Virgin Media Domains.com. You know, a lot of people, when they buy domains, they buy stupid domains because they create stupid names that they like. But listen, on the internet, when you're making money online, you're trying to make money, it's not for you. It's for other people, big head. You're making this for them. You're solving a problem. So you're creating the domain and the content for them. Not because you think it sounds good, because you could think it sounds good forever and you'll forever be broke. And it happened to me. For 7 years, I thought that 7dayfitness.com, which was the first site I created years ago, and for 7 years I was broke because I actually thought that people will work out every day for 7 minutes in 7 days. But listen, they don't want to do that. They just don't. These people don't want to do that. So listen, the point is, show people what they want and give them what they need. Okay, that's the key. Please write that down in the comment section below so you remember it. Okay, now listen, this is what you want to do. So if I want to model a product like Diabetes Freedom, diabetesfreedom.com. So what I need to do, I need to find synonyms. So the next site that you want to go to is going to be the thesaurus, right? the thesaurus. I know that sounds crazy, isn't it? Look at it. Look at here. Because the thing is, you need to find a domain that works. So if you type in diabetes, you want to find other words that are similar to that, like blood sugar, right? So what I'm going to use is blood sugar, right? Because diabetes is basically blood sugar. And you got freedom. What's another key word for freedom? So we're going to use, let me see, blood sugar liberty, blood sugar margin, blood sugar play, blood sugar power, blood sugar unrestrained. So what you want to do is you want to find synonyms, right, for diabetes and for freedom and put them together. That's what I did. I created fatdiminisher.com years ago. And as a matter of fact, if you watch the video to the very end, I'm going to give you, in the link below, I'm going to show you and give you access to the exact same video that I created and the actual book itself that you can use right now today. I'll leave it in the link below. And you can just use it for yourself. But listen, all you want to do is find a name that's similar to the product that you're going to duplicate. Does that make sense? All right. Then after that, what you want to do is, it makes sense to buy the product. You can get a refund. It's all good. Buy the product, get a refund. But let me show you a trick, okay? Let me show you a trick here. Please don't share this with other people and don't tell anybody I'm showing you this right now. Look close. Look, watch this. So the thing is, if you want to get the product for cheap, go to promote now, and they're going to pay you 75% commission. And you click the word generate hop links, and you see this right here. If you buy the product, right, that diabetes product under that link, then basically you get 75% commission, which means instead of spending like $47 or $37, you spend like $3 because you're going to get the commission in your account. Does that make sense? So you're going to purchase the product with your affiliate link to keep you from spending money. But you're not purchasing the product to use the product. You don't care. What you're going to do is this. Listen, is going to model every page. You're going to model this page. You're going to model the upsells pages. Copy them in a notepad. Does that make sense? Now you have a product and you're ready to go. Okay, does that make sense? Are you with me? Smash the like button if you're getting excited right now because you're getting ready to make money online. This is how you make $1 million. I made $1 million. Look, so once you do that and that's done, okay, you want to go to another site, and this is the last step. It's so easy, right? Fiverr.com. Because you might say, well, Wesley, who's going to create all these sites? Who's going to do all the technical work? Listen, pay $5 to a guy typing web development, and this guy do it all for you. From India, from Pakistan, whatever. This is what I did because I was broke. Had about $100. And you hire this guy, find somebody cheap, $10, $5, right? And they will do everything. So basically, they will create all that for you. Okay, they'll create the site, they'll do all the programming for you for, as you can see here, $10. Everything, and this is serious. For $10, they do everything. They do all the pages for you for $10, right? That's insane. All you need to do is hire another guy as well to do the transcribe for you. Okay, you need to transcribe the entire video, because what you're going to do, and it's easy, you're just going to make a better script and a better copy. And as a bonus, in the link below, I'll show you how to do that. I'll show you how to change these words around very quickly here, so you can create a brand new product with a brand new name and basically sell it to people. Listen, this is what Tylenol, Advil does, Motrin, like everybody does it, all right? Diet Coke and Diet Pepsi. It's no different, just different name, different packaging, different product. And that's what you have to do. See, listen, most people are broke because they truly believe that they got to be innovative. Listen, I ain't got no time to be an Elon Musk. Like me, I was getting older, I had kids. So if you like that, and if you're young, you're a teenager, if you don't want to work a job ever, do this. Just do this, and don't listen to people to say, oh, you're plagiarizing, because you're not, okay? The most richest people on the planet have modeled other people. That's what you do. You stand on the shoulders of giants and you just copy and model. Or you could be stupid like Wesley Virgin and thought that 7-day fitness, something brand new, was going to work. I made $0, okay? So that's what you do. Does that make sense? And in the link below, I'm going to do a couple of things for you, because you might say, well, Wesley, I need more help. Listen, I'm going to show you exactly how to write the copy, okay? Because you got to know how to write the words in a way to get people to pull out their credit cards and buy your product, which they will. I'm going to give you access to the actual copy that I wrote. A book. You can write a book in one day. And guess what? You don't need to be a book star. You just need to follow how I did it. I'm going to show you. I wrote a book in 24 hours, and within 10 days, I made $300,000 because I promoted it to the right people. Also, in the link below, if you see it in the description, I'm also going to show you how to get affiliates. It's so simple. I'm going to give you a few websites. You know what? Right now, before you click that link, let me show you one place to go. Go to Warriors Forum. Go to warriorforums.com. Go here. If you're looking for affiliates, just go to this website here. Does that make sense? Right? Go to warriorforums.com. Okay. I'm kind of locking up here. But all you do is go to, look, guys, just go to warriorforums.com, and basically it'll give you access to the website here. So guys, that's all you need to do to make $1 million, okay? Easy. You'll have people that's going to be promoting your product over and over again, okay? You're just going to model the product, get it created, go to Fiverr.com and get the people to basically do it for you for $5 to $10, right? All you need to do, the biggest thing, is write the copy. In the link below, I'll show you how to do that. In 24 hours, you're going to have a brand new copy, brand new words that's ready to be created. You let Fiverr.com do it for you, and voila, you'll start making money. That's what I did to make my first $1 million. So listen, much love. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. In the link below, check it out, click it, and let's go.